Yo, what's up internet, Tomas Peter here. Just a quick video. I would like to show you how to use markers in Premiere Pro as a chapters for YouTube, right? So here you can see, here is my video. And yeah, on the timeline I already got some markers. Yeah, this is gonna be the chapters. Yeah, I already starting placing some. Yeah, and then we're gonna export them and yeah, use them on YouTube. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you what you need to do, right? So you need to find out our next section in the video. So here is my next section. I'm gonna place a marker here, right? I like to use a different color for the chapters. Let's add a name of this chapter, which will be Cinicom. Right, let's place it here. This is our next chapter. Okay, let's go to the next one. Yeah, the next one is Olufemi. Let's make another marker. So this is our chapter markers here in Premiere Pro, right? Yeah, like this. You're gonna place all the markers to the each point where the next chapter starts, right? And now the interesting part, right? We're gonna export these markers as a text file, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the file, export markers, right? This window is gonna pop up. Yeah, we're gonna export this as a text file, right? Text file. And now we're gonna select the destination. All right, I'm gonna export it here. Okay, open folder. Our markers are exported, right? Now right click and we're gonna open them with Word. Okay, right, here we go. Here is our Word document. Here is our markers. Yeah, we can see the time code. Now the trick here is to go to layout, or actually no, view, web layout, right? We need to change it from the print layout to web layout, right? So we can see it like this. Now what we're gonna do is delete all this text here in front, right? As you can see, when I select it, it's gonna select everything. We don't like that. So because of that, we need to hold Alt, yeah, on a keyboard, and we're gonna select just this portion, right? Like this, delete, right? We're gonna delete this as well. Now we're gonna delete this part as well, like this. Okay, that's too much. We need to have a little gap between these text and numbers, so let's select maybe a little bit less. Oh, come on, still holding Alt, right? Because if you do it like this, it's gonna select everything. We wanna select only like this, right? So delete. Now we got this little gap between the numbers and letters, so that's important, right? We got the time code, and here is the name of the chapter. Now let's delete this one. This is my note, like the progression of the video. I don't need that anymore, so let's delete that. And yeah, here is our final stuff. This is gonna be the chapters. Okay, wait a second here. 529. Here is something missing. Okay, it seems like I forgot to at this time. I forgot to at this point I forgot to place the name of this chapter. Yeah, so here you can see what's gonna happen. Here's a little mistake. So if you forgot to place in the text, right, it's gonna be blank. So let's fill it additionally now. Yeah, so this is Premiere Gal. Yeah, so let's go. Here it is. Okay. Yeah, so I'm not gonna export it again, I'm just gonna fill it manually. Yeah, so here we go, just copy and paste. Okay, yep, otherwise it looks all right. Yep. Okay, now we're gonna save it. Okay, let's open it again. Right, here it is in the notepad. I'm just gonna copy and paste it to the YouTube description, and yeah, the chapter markers will appear on a video then. Okay, so yeah, I also like to place it together to the completed folder, together with the completed video and the thumbnail. Just some organizational tip. Okay, now let's go to my YouTube channel, right? Okay, here is my YouTube channel. I'm gonna edit this video, right? Yeah, and let's go. We're gonna paste it here. Yeah, I like to place the chapter markers before the template description, right? This is my template description, which is on every video, and yeah, I like to place the chapter markers before that. So let's go, open the notepad, just copy and paste, right, like this, and yeah, here it is. Now let's save it and let's check if it works, right? Okay, what's up guys, this is a continuing of our freelance video. Okay, here it is. As you can see, here is all our chapter markers. Nice and quick. It's gonna save you some time. Yeah, so you don't have to, watch the video on YouTube and search for the exact time code. You can see the cuts exactly in Premiere Pro, right? You can use the keyboard shortcut and place your time code, place the marker exactly at the cut. So it's nice and precise, right? So I really recommend you do it this way. As you can see, I can click the time code here, yeah, and go to the exact chapter. So yeah, that was our tutorial on how to use chapter markers. Yeah, how to export them from Premiere Pro. Yeah, so let's do a quick overview. So what you need to do, yeah, once you finish editing your video, right? Yeah, you're gonna place a marker. What's really important, what I have to mention, if you don't place a marker at the beginning at the 0, right? Yeah, it's not gonna work. That's just how YouTube works this way. If you don't place the first marker at 0, right, at the beginning of the video, the chapter markers will not appear and it's not gonna work. So you always need to place the marker at the very beginning at the 0 time code, yeah. And yeah, then this is the only like something that's gonna catch you, right? This trap from YouTube, right? Otherwise, yeah, you're just gonna continue placing markers at every chapter, right? Like this, yeah. Next chapter, marker color doesn't matter, right? You're just gonna write in your text, yeah. Once you're finishing done placing your markers, then you're gonna go to File, Export, and Markers, right? You're gonna export your markers as a text file, right? The next step is to open it with a Word, right? And here the trick is, as I said, view, right, and switch from print layout to web layout, and then you hold Alt, yeah, and you select the parts that you want to delete, right? You want to keep just the minutes and the seconds time code, yeah. Maybe if your video is a little bit longer, maybe you want to keep the hours as well, right? Whatever works for you, just use some common sense, right? And yeah, this is this is then you're gonna save it right back to the text file, or you can save it also in Word file. That works as well, right? And then you just copy and paste it to your YouTube description, right? And that's it, like this. Yeah, and your markers are done. So that's it for this markers tutorial. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Like it, subscribe, and yeah, let me know down in the comments. Yeah, what do you think about this? How do you place your markers to your YouTube video? And yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.